quick and easy fall bow for pretty much whatever you choose. A wreath, your door, your fireplace, your stairwell, whatever you want. All you will need: bow wire, Deco mesh, scissors, mini Bowdabra, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I like to fold my bow wire in half. I'm just going to unravel the Deco mesh. I'm going to unravel a nice amount. This is going to be my tail. So if you don't want a long tail, then cut a shorter amount of mesh. Just like that. So you see, this is how long my tail is. And I'm just going to cut the other side as even as possible. You can make as many tails as you'd like. Yeah, do multiple colors, whatever you prefer. Just gonna keep that flat, scrunch it. Take my mesh, and I'm going to scrunch and place it down, just like that. I'm going to make a loop. I want to make sure it's curling inward because that's going to help facilitate nice, pretty loops. And then I'm just going to scrunch. You can measure if you'd like, but I just kind of estimate. So scrunch and twist, then place it down. Just like that. And the reason I twist it is so that when I come to make the loop on this side, I have the curl that's curling in and it's facilitating the loop just like the other side. If I did not twist, then it would try to loop backwards. So make another loop. Scrunch. Careful, this mesh does stick to itself. Scrunch and twist and place it down. Use your wand. I'm going to do the exact same thing again because I want 2 loops on either side. If you just want one, then you can stop right here. And you don't have to twist it on your last scrunch because it's your last one. Yeah, you can definitely use the regular Bowdabra. I'm using the mini Bowdabra, but if you have the larger one, you can definitely use that. Okay, so scrunch it all down, make sure everything looks nice. This is your time to maneuver and adjust it and manipulate it as you see fit. Looks pretty cute to me. Careful, you're going to take the 2 ends and place it inside the loop. Hold this down and give it a nice tug. And then I like to tie it a couple of times. Again, if you want to do this with multiple colors, you can definitely do it. That's what the back looks like. You can cut off the excess, not much. Last thing I'm going to do, take another small piece of mesh, maybe 1 to 2 inches wide. And I'm going to roll it just like that. And that's going to be my center. So I'm going to take some hot glue and glue that down. Or you know what, you could even just come to the back and tie it. There you have it. A cute, adorable, quick bow in less than 5 minutes. And the great thing, there's so many different colors of Deco mesh. You can have fun with the colors. You can use striped Deco mesh, solid, whatever you want. But this makes an adorable bow. You can see it curls up on you. But yeah, this makes an adorable bow. So quick and easy and inexpensive. This took less than 5 minutes. And you can make a couple of bows with 1 roll of Deco mesh. Because you see I still have a nice amount of Deco mesh left on the roll. So I would say I can make at least 2 bows with 1 roll. So that's 2 bows for $1. That's awesome. Right, so this is what the final product looks like. And I kind of just like tugged on the mesh a little bit just to make the tails nice and cute and long. You don't have to do this if you prefer not to, but I think that's just so cute and adorable. If you want to keep them kind of straight, you can do that as well. This wreath was also made with items from Dollar Tree, and I will link the video for this wreath in the description box below so you can see how to make it.